This Keurig stopped working, and so Leslie called Keurig and talked to them for about a half an hour, and they said that there's nobody who can fix it. That they'll give her a discount. She can buy one from them for $79. She went online and tried a whole lot of different ways to try to fix it. It just doesn't power up. And so anyway, she watched some YouTube videos. So apparently the YouTube videos had different ideas, and most of them had to do with sledgehammers. So I'm going to try to fix it with the sledgehammer. Well, that really... I was thinking that the thing would just break. Well, it seems to be breaking. We actually ordered one with points. Apparently there's a boiler that will not break inside. And I'm thinking we can probably find the boiler here in a second. I see the boiler. That must be the boiler there, and it apparently some guy ran it over with his truck, and that didn't break. So anyway, that's how you fix your Keurig.